Welcome back, viewers. Today's maths. If 2023 divided by x all raised to the power 3 plus 2023 divided by x is equal to 350, then we want to find the value of x. Let us solve. Now, solution. The given question is 2023 all over x raised to the power 3 plus 2023 all over x equal to 350. First and foremost, let's make y equal to 2023 all over x. What this means is that I will now replace y in the position of 2023 over x. So here I will have y raised to the power 3 plus y, which is 2023 over x, equal to 350. I can now move 350 to the left, and I will get y raised to the power 3 plus y minus 350 equal to 0. This time around, because of this cube here, I want to express this minus 350 in the form of a number that can give me cube. What I mean by that is that I can now write y raised to the power 3 plus y, then minus 350 can now be written as minus 343, then minus 7 equal to 0. The reason of making use of this 343 is because it is a cubic number. Because 7 raised to the power 3 is 343. I was looking for a number I can put in cube form, and the 343 is very good for that. Therefore, I can now write y raised to the power 3 plus y, then minus 7 raised to the power 3 minus 7 equal to 0. Moving forward, it can now be written also from here, moving this 7 raised to the power 3 forward, it will give me y raised to the power 3 minus 7 raised to the power 3, then plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Okay, at this point I can make use of difference of two cubes. If I have x raised to the power 3 minus y raised to the power 3, it is equal to x minus y into x squared plus xy plus y squared. Okay, I will apply this. Here x stands as y, x stands as y, yes, and y stands as 7. What it means is that y cube minus 7 cube can now be written as y minus 7 into y squared, then plus 7y, then plus 7 squared. Okay, I am going to use the whole of this to replace y cubed minus 7 cubed. And that means I will now have from here, from this point, it will now be written as y minus 7 into y squared plus 7y plus 7 squared. Okay, I now have again plus y minus 7 equal to 0. Very correct. That is, after representing y cubed minus 7 cubed in the form of from here, from this place to here, then I still have y minus 7, y minus 7. Okay, at this point you can now see and agree with me that I have what is common here. Y minus 7 is here, also y minus 7 is here, meaning that it is very common. So I can now factor it out to have it y minus 7 into, then I have this place, y squared plus 7y plus 7 squared is the same thing as 49. Then, having factored y minus 7 outside, I will still have plus 1. Then everything here is equal to 0. Very correct. Please remember to subscribe to my channel to calculate Sokoli. Now, at this point, it will be written as y minus 7 into y squared, then plus 7y plus 50 equal to 0. Okay, if I have m equal to 0, what it means is that m is equal to 0 and also n is equal to 0. It implies that y minus 7 is equal to 0 and also y squared plus 7y plus 50 is equal to 0. So working on that, I can now say y minus 7 is equal to 0, meaning that y is equal to 7. So I have gotten the first value of y from here, okay? You know, I let y to be equal to 2023 over x. What it means is that after finding for the second bracket, I will now substitute the value of y equal to 7 here to get the actual value of x. Alright, in the second instance, let us look at this. Y squared then plus 7y plus 50 equal to 0. Since it is equal to 0, first and foremost, because I am more interested in real values of x, okay? I want to see if this will give me a complex root or a real root. If it is a complex root, I will reject it. And how to check that quickly is to use discriminant. That is using discriminant, which says that b squared minus 4ac, okay? If it is greater than, if it is less than 0, then it will be a complex root. If it is greater than 0, then it will be a real root. If it's also equal to 0, it will still give us a real root. So we want to find out if this value will be less than, the discriminant will be less than 0. Therefore, if the discriminant will be negative, that will make it a complex root. That means that the value will be less than 0. Now, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to 50. Meaning from here, I have 7 squared minus, okay, minus from here, okay, that is 7, okay, minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by c, and this is going to be 49 minus 200, which is equal to minus 151. You can now see that the discriminant is negative. What it means here is that y, okay, the value of y, or let me put it like this, if I have minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, okay, which is formula method of solving quadratic equation. This is now going to be for me minus 7 plus or minus the square root of minus 151. So because of this presence of negatives value inside the square root, it will be a complex value. So we now reject the second, okay, we reject this one, rejected. What it means is that we are going to make use of y equal to 7 in solving the problem. Therefore, we now take this y equal to 7 into the original question where we say let y equal to 23 all over x. I can now say from here I have y equal to 23 all over x, and y here is now 7, okay, equal to 23 all over x. Then by cross multiplication, 7x is equal to 2023, making x equal to 2023 all over 7. And that is equal to 7 into 20, we go 2 times, then remainder 6, okay, into 62. It is going to go 8 times. okay? And then remember 6 again, into 63 we go 9 times, meaning that the value of x is 289. And this will be the final answer because we are requested to find the value of x. Remember what I have done? When I got to this point, I found the value of y here where I got 7. And in trying to find the remaining two values here, I found out that this will go complex, and I am only interested in finding the real values of x, okay? Therefore, because this will go complex, I rejected the second bracket. From the sample, we were able to solve it and got to this point, and they found out that it is a complex root, not a real root. Then we continued with this and eventually substituted and get the value of x as 289. Thank you, dear friends, for watching to the end. Please do kindly subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.